Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 22, chapter number 5, basic concepts of permutations and combinations. Today's lecture we will start with the questions. Now, the first question is the number of ways in which 7 girls form a ring is. Read carefully. The number of ways in which 7 girls form a ring is. Ring, circular permutation. Ring, it means circular permutation. So, here 7 girls. 7 girls. So, circular permutation means n factorial n or factorial n minus 1 is equal to factorial 7 minus 1 is equal to factorial 6 or is equal to 6 factorial. So, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 5s are 30. 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24. 30 multiply with 24. 24 0 7 20. So, answer is C 7 20. Now, you can write circular permutation. Okay. Next question. The number of ways in which 7 boys sit in a round table so that 2 particular boys may sit together is. The number of ways in which 7 boys sit in a round table. So, draw the diagram. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, 7 boys in a round table so that 2 particular boys may sit together. 2 particular boys, consider these 2. So, these 2 consider as 1 plus at 2 at 3 4 5 and 6. Here 2 boys sit together. Okay. Now, so the formula is factorial n minus 1 into factorial 2 because 2 boys are sit together. So, here n is in round table, total n is or total group is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. because here two boys sit together, so this is called the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to, here n is equal to 6. So 6 minus 1. Put the value of n into 2. Factorial 2, because 2 boys. Factorial 6 minus 1 means factorial 5 into factorial 2. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60, 2s are 120, 2s are 240. So answer is 240. Next one is, if 50 different jewels can be set to form a necklace, then the number of ways is, if 50 different jewels can be set to form a necklace, then the number of way is, so here 50 different jewels, here given is 50 different jewels. Necklace means circular, necklace, circular. So we are using the formula 1 by 2 factorial n minus 1. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, n means 50, 50 minus 1. So 1 by 2, 49, factorial 49. So answer is B. Next is, 3 ladies and 3 gents can be seated at a round table. 3 ladies and 3 gents can be seated at a round table, so that any two and only two of the ladies sit together. Any two of the ladies sit together. Two and only two of the ladies sit together. The number of way is, here first draw the round table. Here this is 2 ladies. Here 2 gents are there, because if ladies sit here, any lady sit here, then it becomes 1, 2 and 3 ladies group. So here these two place gents is there. So no ladies, this place and this place gents. 4 place cover, 3 ladies, 3 gents, 5 and 6. Okay. Now three ladies, 3 gents, n is equal to 3 group, because this is the whole group, means 1, 2, 3. So n is equal to 3. Now 3 3p2 into 3p2 into factorial 3 minus 1. 3p2, this is for the ladies. Selection of 2 ladies out of 3 ladies. This is for gents. Selection of 2 gents out of 3. And 3 groups. So factorial 3 minus 1 or factorial n minus 1. 3p2 means 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 3 minus 1, 2 factorial. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 9 4s are 36 into 2 into 1. 36 2s are 72. So answer is 72. Option C, 72 is the answer. Next one is the number of ways in which the letter of the word dogmatic can be arranged is. So here write down the word dogmatic. Count the number of letter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So can be arranged. Here they are asking for can be arranged, not rearranged. So arrange, it means it's simple. 8 factorial 8, 8 factorial. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 8 sevens are 56. 56, 6 5s are 30, 4 3s are 12, multiply with 2. 56 multiply with 12 2s are 24, 3s are 7 2, 720, multiply with 56. So the answer is 40,320. So answer is B. Okay. Now here, if they are asking for rearrange, this is only for you extra. Rearrange. At that time you have to for minus 1. 40,320 minus 1. So 40,390 is the answer when they are asking for rearrange. Okay. Here our answer is 40,320. Next question. The number of arrangements of 10 different things taken 4 at a time in which one particular thing always occur is. The number of arrangements of 10 different things taken 4 at a time. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay. Ten different things taken 4 at a time, one particular thing always occurs. One particular thing always occurs. So here 1 2 3 4, one particular thing always occurs. So here total remaining is 9 and taken 4 at a time. In this condition only 3 present because one occurs always, one is always occurs, one thing is always occurs. So 9 C3 into factorial 4. 9 8 7 3 2 1 into 4 3 2 1. 3 2 1 cancel. 9 8 are 72. 7 4 are 28. So after multiply this, we will get 2016. 2016. So the answer is option B, 2016. Next question. The number of permutations of 10 different things taken 4 at a time, in which one particular thing never occurs. In the previous question, one particular thing always occurs. In this question, one particular thing never occurs. Okay. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. So one thing is never occur. So 9 C4 into 4. One thing is never occur, but out of 9 different things taken 4. So here we have to write 9C4 into factorial 4. So 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So cancel. 9 8 are 72. 7 6 are 42. So is equal to 3024. 3024. So the answer is option C. Here permutations given. Permutation, the number of permutations given. So here we have to write factorial 4. Permutation is given. Okay. If extra, if in question they are asking for commutation, if only commutation, then only 9C4. Okay. Now the next question is, Mr. X and Mr. Y enter into a railway compartment having 6 vacant seats. They having 6 vacant seats. The number of ways in which they can occupy the seats. 6 vacant seats. Total number of person 2, X and Y. So available seats is equal to 6. Here 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Why 6? Because 6 seats available for X person. 5 seats available for Y. Because here the first person occupy the one seat when Y want to sit. At that time only 5 seats are available. So 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. Okay. Also, in the extra question, also if 6xy, if y occupy, if y if y for y 6 seats, at the same time x have 5 seats, so 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So the answer is option D, 30. Next question. The number of numbers lying between 100 and 1000 can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here number between 100 and 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number 7. We required 3-digit number, because between 100 and 1000 3-digit number is there. So 3-digit number. Total number is 7. Required number is 3. 7p3. So 7 into 6 into 5 is equal to 210. So the answer is option A, 210. Next is the number of numbers lying between 10 and 1000. 10 and 1000. There is 2-digit number also, and 3-digit number is there. Also 3-digit number is there. Can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 4, 0, 8, 9 is here. Number between 10 and 1000. Given number is 2, 3, 4, 0, 8, 9. Here 0 is present. 0 is present. We cannot write 0 at the first position. We can't write 0 at the first position. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 number. So we can write only 5 number at the first position. 0 cannot be write at the first position, but 0 present in second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth position. So first, for the first 5, totals are 6 out of 5, and for the 2-digit 5. 5 5s are 25. 2-digit, because at the selection of the second digit there is 0 is present, so 5, and 1 occupy. Out of 6 1 occupy, so 5. Here 1 occupy, 0 is not present, so 5. Okay, 0 is not present at the first position, so 5. Multiply with 5, because here 0 is added, because we can write 0 at the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth position. So here 5 position present, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, instead of minus the first position. So 6 minus 1, so also 5 digit is available. So 5 5s are 25. Same for first, second and third. At the third position, two numbers selected. Two numbers are selected out of 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 you multiply with 4. 5 5s are 25, 4s are 100. 3 digit. So plus the 2 digit and 3 digit, we will get 25 plus 100 is equal to 125. So option C is true. Next, in a group of boys, the number of arrangement of 4 boys is 12 times. In a group of boys, the number of arrangement of 4 boys is 12 times. The number of arrangement of 2 boys, 12 times the number of arrangement of 2 boys. The number of boys in the group. So here we can write total number of boys is equal to n. So the formula becomes np4 is equal to 12 times np2. Okay. So solve this. N factorial upon n minus 4 factorial. 12 n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial. N factorial cancel. 1 upon n minus 4 factorial is equal to 12. N minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial. N minus 4 factorial cancel. So cross multiplication, n minus 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 12. So n square minus 5n plus 6 is equal to 12. N square minus 5n minus 6 is equal to 0. So n square, 6n square. 6 ones are 6. So 6n plus n minus 6 is equal to 0. So n minus 6 plus 1 n minus 6 is equal to 0. N minus 6 n plus 1 is equal to 0. N is equal to 6, n is equal to minus 1, but that is not possible. So n is equal to 6 is answer. Option C is the true answer. C 6. Next, the value of sigma or summation of r is equal to 1 to 10 r into rpr is. rpr is. Here first write down the formula. N plus 1 factorial minus n factorial is equal to n plus 1 into n factorial minus n factorial. So n factorial common, n plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, n into n factorial. Okay. Here r is equal to 1 to 10 rpr is given. So we can write sum of r is equal to 1 to 10 rpr. Instead of, we can write r into r factorial. rpr means r factorial. So using this equation number 1, we can write sum of r is equal to 1 to 10 r plus 1 factorial minus r factorial. Okay. So for put the value of r is equal to 1 to 10 into this equation. So first 1 plus 1 2 factorial minus 1 factorial plus put the value r is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 3 factorial minus 2 factorial, 4 factorial minus 3 factorial plus 5 factorial minus 4 factorial, 6 factorial minus 5 factorial, 7 factorial minus 6 factorial plus 8 factorial minus 7 factorial plus 9 factorial minus 8 factorial plus 10 factorial minus 9 factorial plus 11 factorial minus 10 factorial. Now 2 factorial minus 2 factorial minus minus 1 factorial as it is. 3 factorial plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 factorial minus 4 factorial plus 5 minus 5 6 factorial 6 factorial plus 7 minus 7 plus 8 minus 8 plus 9 minus 9 plus 10 minus 10. So here remaining value is 11 factorial minus 1 factorial. So 11 factorial minus 1. So also you can write 11 P 11 minus 1. So option number B is the true answer. Okay. Next, the total number of 9-digit numbers of different digit is total number of 9-digit number. 9-digit number of different digits. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 0 included. So total 0 included. That time total number is 10. Okay. But here 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 because 0 can't be put at the first position. At second number position 0 present, but at the first position cannot be count. So total is 9. So at the first position 9, at the second position total is 10. Total number is 10. But out of this place first number is selected. So 10 minus 1 9 and 0 added. So 10 minus 1 9 or 0 included. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So 9 into 9 factorial we can write. So it becomes 9 factorial 9. So option C is the true answer. The number of ways in which 6 men can be arranged in a row so that the particular 3 men sit together is. Here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Total men 6. Here 3 particular men sit together. So group is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we can write factorial 4 into factorial 3. It is the one group, 3 men group. 3 men sit together. So and 4 is available positions. Okay. Now we can write factorial 4 in in the terms of 4 P4 into 3 P3 form. Okay, so the now option B is the true answer. Next is, there are 5 speakers A, B, C, D and E. The number of ways in which A will speak always before B. Here given, A will speak always before B. A, B, C, D and E. A always A speaks always before B. Okay, so A is at the first position in terms of AB or BA. BA cannot be possible because A is always speak before B. So AB, C, D and E. So first, second, third and fourth. 4 group. So before, so 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24. Here condition is given. A will speak always before B. Okay, so 4 factorial. If this sentence is not present, will speak always before B. At that time, factorial 4 into factorial 2. So here they are asking about A will speak always before B. So the answer is 24. So option A is the answer. Next, there are 10 trains playing between Kolkata and Delhi. The number of ways in which a person can go from Kolkata to Delhi and return by a different train is. Total number of train 10. Kolkata to Delhi. 10 different train. Okay. So one train will be minus at the time when person return from Kolkata to Delhi. So 10 minus 1, because in the first train playing between Kolkata and Delhi. So the number of ways in which a person can go from Kolkata to Delhi and return by different trains. Kolkata to Delhi and Delhi to Kolkata. So one train minus. So one train is not available. Train not available. So 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 into 9 or n into n minus 1. So 10 into 9, 90. Okay. So the number of ways 90. Option B is the answer. Next. The number of ways in which 8 sweets of different sizes can be distributed among 8 persons of different ages, so that the largest sweet always goes to be younger, assuming that each one of them gets a sweet is. Here 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here 1 is fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining is 7. So 7 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. After multiplication, these 7 6 are 42, 5 4 are 20, 3 2 are 6. 42 multiply with 120. 0. 12 2 are 24. 2 5 0 4 0. So answer is B, 5040. Next, the number of arrangements in which the letters of the word Monday be arranged so that the words thus formed begin with M and do not end with N. Here write Monday, Monday. Fixed. M is fixed. So remaining letter is 5. Total number of letter is 6. But M is fixed. So remaining letter is 5. Start with M. Words, number of words start with M is equal to 5 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 120. Okay. Now the second is do not end with N. If M, O, D, A, Y and N, here we can consider M and N both are fixed. M and N both are fixed. So remaining letter is 4. So 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. So we required begin with M and do not end with N. Begin with M. So total number of words begin with M is 120, or total number of words end with N is 90. It is 24. It is 24. So 4 do not end with N. We have to minus 120 minus 24. So the answer is 96. So option C is the answer. Next one is the total number of ways in which 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negative signs can be arranged in a line such that no two negative signs occur together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 position. Negative sign, we can put negative sign at the 7 places. So, and we require the 4 signs, 4 negative sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 position of negative sign. So 7, C, 4. Out of 7 we require 4. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4, 3 2 are 6, 6, 7 5 are 35. Is the answer. Option number C. The number of ways in which the letters of the word mobile be arranged so that consonant always occupy the odd places. M-O-B-I-L-E. Okay. Total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total letter is here M, B, L, 3 consonants, and O, I, E vowel, 3 vowel. Okay. To occupy the odd places. consonants occupy the odd places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 3 and 5. Okay. So M, B, L. So here 3 letter and places is 3. So factorial 3. 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6. Same way for vowel O-I-E. O-I-E. 3 vowel 3 places. 3 factorial is equal to 6 also. So the number of ways that consonant always occupy the odd places is factorial 3 into factorial 3. Factorial 3 for the consonants and factorial 3 for the vowel. So 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So the option A is the answer. 36 is the answer. Next one is 5 persons are sitting in a round table in such a way that tallest person is always on the right side of the shortest person. The number of such arrangement is. Now make a circle or round table. So total 5 person, 4 and 5. Here round table inside tallest person is always on the right side of the shortest person. This one is shortest person and this one is tallest person at the right side. Okay, this one is group 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here right side is said. Okay, so factorial n minus 1 into the arrangement 1. Total arrangement is 1. So here n is equal to 4. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 minus 1 into 1. 4 minus 1 factorial 3. 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6. So the answer is option A, 6. Okay. Next. Now this lecture is over here. So bye bye. In next lecture we will continue with combinations. Okay. So see you soon. Bye bye.